Hey honeys, welcome back to my channel. My name is MieshaLave, and today we're going to be talking about rice water benefits, hair growth, and things like that. If this is something that you guys are interested in, go ahead and keep on watching. Before we get into this video, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell button. So let's talk rice water. So when I first started using rice water, I didn't know much about it. People were just commenting under my videos like, try this, and I was seeing it floating around social media or whatnot, and I'm like, I'm just gonna give it a try. It's making people hair grow, whatever. So I tried it, and you guys know my 5-day rice water challenge video. Click the link if you have not seen it, but I really was using it for hair growth. So I just jumped into it not knowing the benefits of rice water. Once I realized that it made my hair healthier and more stronger, I was amazed. It was a lot of different comments and opinions going on, and no one really knows about your hair except for you. What works for someone else may not work for you, so you have to learn your own hair. Stay tuned for the other half of this video because I am going to show you guys step by step how I make my rice water, how I put it on my hair, and how I rinse it out. So after doing the rice water challenge, I did a tad bit of research on it, and I figured out that it actually originated from the China women, the Yao women. It's spelled Y-A-O, and they were using it to rinse their hair and for hair growth. So they have this real long pretty hair. You guys can Google it. So the main question was, what rice should you use when using rice water? I personally use regular rice out of my cabinetry, but most people were saying that organic rice is better. I just used regular rice and it worked for me. The longer you let the rice sit and ferment in the water, the better and the stronger the benefits are going to be for your hair. The rice water has so many different vitamins and nutrients within it. It can be used as a source of energy for the body because it has natural carbohydrates. Besides it making my hair stronger and healthier, it made my hair grow. That's all I needed to know about the rice water, is that it grew my hair. You can just tell by my baby hairs, like they're not even baby hairs anymore. They are edges, like they're a part of my hair. Period. I think I'm gonna comb them out so y'all can see how long they are. It also broke my hair off, and it really wasn't the rice water. It was because I was using it so often and my hair was getting dry and brittle, and I just didn't know how to manage it. So if your hair is breaking off, or you just want a little bit more length going on in your hair, or even if you just want to make your hair stronger and more healthier, I recommend using the rice water. But I'm going to show you that it actually did grow my hair. I mean, you guys seen it day by day. Most people were saying that I was lying. Lie for what? I don't have anything to prove to you guys. I actually just did the rice water and it worked. Let me show you guys. So I'm going to start with this one. Like, look how long that is. That is long, and it is so long that to the point where I had to tuck it behind my ear to make it look right, because they are just so long. It was just ridiculous. I'm gonna do this front one up here because this one is long as well. You see how I just got it tucked back there? The struggle. I really like baby hairs, and I really feel as if this is not gonna work for me, having these long edges like this. So I may just end up cutting them into baby hairs. And if there is anyone watching this video and you actually don't have baby hairs, if that's something that you want to see me do, comment down below and let me know, because I will make a video of me actually cutting my hair into baby hairs, because I don't think that I can deal with this, because this is just too much. I have to, like, I'm tucking the hair in my braid to make it look right. Like, look how long that is. It's too much. It's too much. Like, this is really ridiculous. I'm not gonna be able to deal with this on a day-to-day basis, trying to form these weird, big, and obnoxious baby hairs. No. These do not look like baby hairs. They look like big ass swoops, and I'm not going for it. In the next clip, I will be showing you guys my start to finish rice water routine. Stay tuned. So we're switching over to a voiceover. This is a different day. So step one, you want to make sure that you have a bowl to put your rice, and you want to make sure that you have rice to put in your bowl. I just have some regular white rice. You can use whatever works best for you. And you're going to get a spray bottle just for easy application. You don't have to use a spray bottle, but I recommend it because it's less messy. That's my little sister. She's video bombing right now. And you want to get some saran wrap to cover your bowl, and you're all good to go. I just want to say that I am totally sorry that this video will not be a look and learn. Because as you guys can see, I still have my braids in. I did not want to prolong this video any longer, so I did at least want to show you guys step by step what I do when I am actually doing the rice water routine on my hair. So I'm just taking the rice and I put it in a bowl, and you're going to rinse the rice off just to get all of the dirt or impurities that may be on the rice. You want to make sure you just remove all of that. So you're going to rinse the rice off. If you guys are the type that want to look and learn and actually visually see me do this routine, I will be doing an updated full in-depth routine of me doing the rice water rinse on my hair, so stay tuned for that. This is how the rice should look once you rinse it off and get it all cleaned. Now we're just going to put some water back into the bowl. This is going to be the water that you're going to ferment and use on your hair. When putting the water in the bowl, you want to make sure that it actually covers the rice. You want more water than rice. Hey, baby. He's always video bombing. But we're just going to take our saran wrap and you're going to cover the bowl with this. So this is just going to keep everything sealed in, and you're going to set it to the side. You want to make sure that you let this bowl, you let your rice ferment in the water for 24 hours. Now you don't have to do the full 24 hours, but remember, the longer you let the rice sit in the water and ferment, the better and the stronger the benefits will be. So I say up to 24 hours. Now that we have let the rice ferment in the water for 24 hours or however many hours you let it sit, you want to make sure that you pour the water, the fermented water, only into the bottle. Don't pour the rice into the bottle, only the water. Before you start to put the fermented rice water onto your hair, you want to make sure that you're applying it to clean hair. So go ahead and wash your hair. That's why I recommend doing this in a shower, because the rice water is already stinky, messy, and all of the above. Go ahead and get in a shower, do your wash day routine. Once you're finished with that, you're going to start applying the rice water all over your hair. Make sure that you're really focusing in on your scalp, and then you're going to let it sit for 45 minutes. Make sure you let this sit in your hair for at least 45 minutes to an hour. Afterwards, you're going to rinse it with water, and that completes your rice water rinse. If you guys already have tried the rice water, comment down below and let me know your experience with the rice water. Did it help your hair? Did it break your hair off? What happened, sis? Also, comment down below what you guys want to see next. Let me know if you guys want to see me cut my edges and form them into new baby hair. That concludes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. hit that like button if you did. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Turn that post notification bell on so that you can get notified once I upload new videos. I love you guys. Bye.